Just the average third period music appreciation. It is like 10:01. And yeah, this is the band room. If you can't hear me, well, just kind of listen a little closer. I can see Ashley. She's getting
I was taking a video.
I'm not. I'm looking through my phone. Jeez. Am I allowed to do that? Apparently, I'm not. Hey. That clock is so far away. Getting all personal. I'm not doing anything. I'm looking at the trophies. Jeez. Am I not allowed to do that anymore? I mean, really. Well. Tee-hee, there's stuff on the board. Ooh, just randomly singing. There's Ashley. She's my friend. I don't know if I'm going to be doing any more videos, though. Anyhow, I'm going to go. So, yeah. Ooh.